In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calendly polls for date selection. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to propose several time options to a group and let them vote on what works best, without endless back and forth emails. First, make sure you're logged into your Calendly account and you're on your main scheduling page. From here, look for the option that says Create. This is usually near the top of the page, and it's the starting point for setting up anything new in Calendly. Go ahead and click on Create. Instead of choosing a regular event type, we're going to build a meeting poll specifically for picking a date and time that works for everyone. After clicking Create, you'll see a few different options. Choose Meeting Poll. This tells Calendly that you want to propose multiple time slots and then let your invitees vote on their preferences. Think of this as a quick survey for availability, built right into your calendar tool. Next, it's time to select dates. You'll see a calendar view where you can click on one or more dates that might work for your meeting. Take a moment here to be thoughtful. Consider your own availability, any time zones involved, and how soon you actually want this meeting to happen. You can usually select several days, and within each date, you can choose specific time ranges or slots that you're willing to offer. The more reasonable options you give, the more likely your group will find something in common. Once you've chosen your dates and times, click on Next. This moves you to the next stage of setting up your poll. On this screen, you'll see a summary of the options you've selected. This is where you can review everything and make sure it looks right before sharing it out. If something seems off, you can go back and adjust your choices. Now, you'll see an area or button that's highlighted, typically showing your finalized poll details. Click on that highlighted section. This helps you confirm the poll configuration and brings you to the point where it's ready to be distributed. Finally, click on Share Meeting Poll. Calendly will give you a link you can copy and send via email, chat, or however you normally communicate with your attendees. When people open the link, they'll see all the options you proposed and can vote on the times that work best for them. Once everyone has responded, you can pick the final time based on the most popular choice. And that's it, you've successfully created and shared a Calendly meeting poll for date selection.